there are some major areas which are attributed to some substations which have reached capacity on both the transmission side and the distribution side. That's our next step. Namely, we are seeing overloads on Namamve North, Namugongo substation. Mutundwe is at maximum. It needs to be worked on in the near future. Nkenda, Kasana. Because of the inadequacy, it calls for us to plan further and to prepare our investments. Again, in our 100 days, we have identified 11 critical substations which are loaded 80% and above. A substation, if it's already beyond 80%, anytime T, it is heading towards load shedding. And we are taking a critical look. The beauty, they form part of our investment portfolio for this year and next year to come. Just to mention a few, this includes Kumi substation, Kampala South, Queensway, Chileka, Lugogo, and Kawanda U.E.D.C.L substation. On the other hand, in order to relieve the pressure in some areas of Namugongo, Chira, Kasangat, and Mukono, we have started on the project to establish a new substation in Majije Gayaza. It will relieve the pressure in Chira and some parts of Namugongo and Mukono. The procurement process is ongoing. Our customers in that area will have to get relief as soon as this project is completed. Our strategy is to make it done in the next 6 to 9 months, and we believe we shall succeed. This journey started with mainly 4 elements of control that we emphasized on as our perspective to manage the transition and settle the company in as U.E.D.C.L. One was talent management. The second area of concern was financial sustainability of the institution. The third one, customer service excellence and providing the service that we are supposed to provide. And the fourth perspective was on network availability. How have we done so far on talent management? Because of the requirement of the concession agreement, it was a requirement that at the transfer date, the employees of UMEME would be given an opportunity to join U.E.D.C.L. So, as we speak, we have fully integrated all the staff that qualified to roll. And as per our structure, it is now populated up to 96%, an equivalent of 2,601 employees. The 4%, based on the structure that is not yet filled, the process are underway to fill them externally, and the adverts went out on the 16th and 19th of June. The recruitment process is ongoing. The second area of talent management lies with integrating the new teams that we've set up to manage the culture and also take members through of the activities. So far across the country, in our 100 offices, the activities for culture change and alignment in line with the strategic objectives are ongoing. But at the same time, the staffs are providing a service. In addition to that, we have another task to implement all the pending connections that we found which were due for connection. By the time we took over, there were pending connections totaling to 127,000 customers. We've deployed materials across the country, and we've subcontracted special teams whom we call new connection technicians. So far on the ground, we have an additional 550 employees, but because of the task of connecting customers as much as possible, our analysis has also worked out an extra requirement to add more 400 employees by end of July. So in total, our structure and total number of employees to manage the affair of the distribution sector, plus also having to fulfill the special projects of new connection for the World Bank, ESP project, and clearing the backlog, will attract a total of 3,600 plus employees.